Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying hardware and service, because without a modem and active SIM, you cannot proceed. Insert the SIM into the laptop slot or USB modem, then unlock it with the PIN. Next, open network settings and make sure airplane mode is off while Wi-Fi is disabled if you want a pure cellular connection. This avoids automatic Wi-Fi priority. Once done, confirm the carrier name appears or the adapter is recognized, so you can move into detailed configuration. Now configure the connection itself so data flows reliably. Install the modem driver or connection manager. Make sure the OS recognizes the device with no error icons. Create a mobile broadband profile and enter the APN exactly as provided, plus any username or password, because incorrect APN stops data. Once the profile is saved, initiate the connection and observe signal bars. Make sure the adapter is set as the default network for internet traffic. Finish by securing and verifying the link so the connection is usable and safe. Make sure your firewall is enabled and the new network is set to private, and turn off file sharing to prevent exposure. Track data usage and set alerts with your carrier or OS to avoid surprise charges. If the connection fails, reboot the modem and laptop first. If that does not help, swap the SIM into a phone to rule out account or signal problems. Then re-enter APN settings or contact the carrier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.